eerste vers ek het sag gepraat, my tweede vers ek gaan hard kom praat. Van nou wil ek net kom seker maak, my boodskap word behoorlik oorgedra. Want julle moet sit en kan check achterna, nou wat het die brother bedoel. Jy trek en die voel dit, ja, I'm losing my cool. My booty kost how much is cool, it kost. Dis nie wat my ma bedoel het, toe sy gesê het, you better move it, so many bricks, so we have to.
Sonder die guys, hulle kan nie verstaan nie, hulle sê my wees is so klaar nie. Jou YouTube views is man, maar jy kry sous en geeks en ons kry skaars op in 'n kansie. Die views is niks, die boodskap is in die gedig. Jou ore ruk my tong uit oor die boodskap vir ons man, jou brein stuk. Jou die brein in die hart, jou een string, so die album vol is van die brein dan nou sing. As dit wat my bere oopmaak nie, dit beweeg werke, dit breek kettinge en deure. Ek is kom met dit, ek weet ek kan seer.
It's D-Dog the GOAT, pro. It's your favorite white boy reactor here from the Bayern. We got a special one here, and we got a special reaction today. We got no one other than JD the Don from South Africa, the main Don from PE. And this is a very special one. The reason I'm saying this is a special one, because JD the Don is a very underrated artist. And the reason why I'm saying he's so underrated is because of his consistency that he's been keeping up with from the late 2025 going into 2026 this year. His consistency has been impeccable to like actually witness, and not a much artists are able to keep up with like consistency like how he has been keeping up consistency. The only other artist that I can really think of with consistency like this man at the moment is Jody man. Shout out Jody man. Like this guy, JD the Don and Jody man, they are specimens of what I'm talking about. Like dropping a track almost every single day, every second day, dropping a track, and it's a hard track, no skips, fuck all. But yo, we got a special one, JD the fucking Don from Port Elizabeth, the main Don from Port Elizabeth. And we got a music video nogals from him. There's one thing I can tell you about this man, he's very scarce with music videos. It's like he doesn't want to do music videos, like his camera shy. But it's all not.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh no. As long as I got the music video to react to, then I'm duidelijk. But y'all, we got our first music video reaction from JD the Don for the books going into 2026 this new year, and I hope that everybody's gonna enjoy this one. And yeah, grab your popcorn, grab your joint. Unfortunately, I'm in the house. I'm in
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
my house today, so I can't smoke a joint with you guys. But oh, it's all daylight. It's all daylight. But yo, without further ado, let's get into JD the Don changes.
Ik ben zo gaan met eten op je phone, bro. En hij me mij geweest daarom. Nog alle waarden geworden. Blij jullie en jullie gaan nieuw veel, bro.
I wish. I fuck with that. Shout out Ethan Souls, another underrated gem from the northern areas. It's now only coming up, but that's an underrated gem. But that's true what he said there, that if you speak the waarheid and you stay real and you preach a proper message, that people are going to feel, you know, that people are going to feel, going to make it. Just be real, just be yourself, be genuine, and then everything in life is going to be set. Nah. But oh wait.
Dit wat ons hier is om te doen, bro. Play real.
That's
This guy. Ik kan zeggen hoe dat in music was mijn escape, ja. Ik was op die phone.
I fuck with that, ne? The way that he spoke that message, ne, with Ethan Soul about keeping it real and shit. And then he literally went into the track referring to that message that he just spoke there. Literally like replying to that message that he just said there in his in like the chorus. Askat, this is the chorus, but yeah, in the chorus form. Sis. Okay?
This good, describe. Ek is uit die hoed uit en music was my escape. Ja, ek was op die corner most days.
I was at the hood, my music was my escape. My music was my escape.
En nog met de pipe, ja. Ik onthou die daas van mijn bras waar het niet gechange, ja. This good, this crazy. Ik is uit die hoed uit en music was my escape, ja. Ik was op die corner, most daily nog met de pipe, ja. Ik onthou die daas van mijn bras waar het niet gechange, ja.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Nou sien naam my ek bou, worry man my bro, ek doen my eie bou, maak music op die daily, ek's getrouwd, met die game, sy is my vrou, julle moet dan nou onthou.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Die way wat ek er doen is net te duidelik.
So another way, JD is just vibing onto this track. Another way is just flowing on this track. Oh, this is how this beat should be used, ek sê.
Ja, mos daily nog met de pipe, ja. Ek onthou die daas van my bras waar het niet gechange, ja. Ja, nou sien naam my ek bou, worry man my bro, ek doen my eie bou, maak music op die daily, ek's getrouwd, met die game, sy is my vrou, julle moet dan nou onthou, die way wat ek er doen is net te duidelik, ja, voorbij wat die wou doen is het te face, meaning is tijdelijk, ek's bezig om die way te pijp, ja, uiteindelijk. En allemaal wat met my in my music, stay with it, ja, want ek sit baie tyd in Everton, en ek vertel jou waar het ek begin, is rond.
He puts a lot of work into the shit that he's doing. That's why he's like vocal gepelaar about anything. Because he's putting work into what he's doing. As ja.
En as ek kan, ja, en toe het ek myself gevind, ja, en begin dan, ja, en begin dan. This good, this crazy. Ek is uit die hoed uit en music was my escape, ja. Ek was op die corner, most daily nog met de pipe, ja. Ek onthou die daas van my bras waar het niet gechange, ja. This good, this crazy. Ek is uit die hoed uit en music was my escape, ja. Ek was op die corner, most daily nog met de pipe, ja. Ek onthou die daas van my bras waar het niet gechange, ja. My eerste verse ek het sag gepraat, my tweede verse ek gaan hardop praat, van nou wil
Hier kom die tongue nou, ek sê, yo. That's
What are you talking about?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
This is it. Just this. My first verse, I spoken soft. Now my second verse, I'm coming hard. Yo, so this flow switch, ek sê, this flow switch was unexpected, but it was like dangerously unexpected. Oh, wait. Just this. What you say there, bro?
Music was my escape, ja. Ek was op die corner, most daily nog met de pipe, ja. Ek onthou die daas van my bras waar het niet gechange, ja. My eerste verse ek het sag gepraat, my tweede verse ek gaan hard kom praat, van nou wil ek net kom seker maak, my boodskap word behoorlik oorgedra, want julle moet sit en kan check agter.
Yo, hier kom een tongue nou.
Damien Richardson है T-Dog I see boertje hy nie, hy se kalle daai my bro.
Oh, this is South Africa's Eminem. Skaamteloos. You the Eminem, ne? Nee. I would say JD the Don is the Eminem of South Africa, ne? But Skaamteloos is Slim Shady of South Africa. Just
I am shocked. Shocked! Well, not that shocked.
Yo, JD.
I know wat die braden bedoel, je trek die voel dit ja, I'm losing my cool, my booty kost, how much is cool, it kost, dis is wat my ma bedoel, het toe sy gesê het, you better move it.
I'm losing my cool, I must just cool it. I must cool it. This isn't what my mother said I must do.
Damn! many bricks, so we had to move it in. But right now I'm talking some true shit. Ik was ook in die moord shit, but die is tough and know what ik.
That is exactly what he said in the beginning with Ethan Souls on that phone call about you must always keep it real and then people are gonna feel you. And this is what he mentioned now. I'm speaking some true shit. That's exactly what he said in the beginning.
Vat tot lifelong nog daar in die moer sit. Ja, Chase.
Ek kyk hier terug hier want hoe kom moet ek terugkyk na my pas, as my pas my nie.
Ek het braze wat lifelong in die moog is. In die moer is. That is a morgue, by the way, where they hold dead bodies. Yo, that's meaning he's got a whole lot of dead homies that's in the morgue there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Ek kyk hier terug hier want hoe kom moet ek terugkyk na my pas, as my pas my nie gaan mis nie.
Yo, that was smooth as fuck. I didn't hear what you said there now, but that was smooth as fuck. Holy shit.
Doel het hoe sy gesê het, you better move it. So many bricks, so we had to move it in. But right now I'm talking some true shit. Ik was ook in die moord shit, but die is tough en nou wat ek braas. Vat tot lifelong nog daar in die moer sit. Ja, Chase.
Ek kyk hier terug hier want hoe kom moet ek terugkyk na my pas, as my pas my nie gaan mis nie. Ek kyk hier terug hier.
Well, I don't look to my past because why must I? My past is not gonna miss me. That is the most realest shit I've heard this in whole entire year. I don't look to my past. I leave everything that's behind me. I look forward now because my past isn't gonna miss me anymore. Why is my past gonna miss me? I must look forward now. Just.
Want hoe kom moet ek terugkyk na my pas, as my pas my nie gaan mis nie. Dis goed, dis kry ek is uit die hoed uit die music was my escape, ja. Ek was op die corner, maar style nog met 'n pyp, ja. Ek onthou die daas aan my gras, maar het het gechange, ja. Dis goed, dis kry ek is uit die hoed uit die music was my escape, ja. Ek was op die corner, maar style nog met 'n pyp, ja. Ek onthou die daas aan my gras, maar het het gechange, ja.
True. Nah, everybody that's watching this, that is JD the Don. That is the Don of PE. Joe, that was definitely a banger for the books. That is a certified banger for the books. That is one of the perfect tracks to start of this year. Here we're going into this reactions for the year with nothing but bangers, except I told you guys I'm gonna bring nothing but bangers and just bangers on for the books reactions. I told you I'm gonna just bring bangers and just heat to the table. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that one. I'm going to leave the official music video link in the description below so you guys can check it out, because this is one that you guys need to check out. Something you need on your playlist. Jada the Don is definitely someone you need on your playlist. This is the King Von, the Don, Jada the Don of PE. But subscribe to this guy's channel, man. Support is free. It costs you absolutely nothing to just give it a like and just subscribe. Nobody you watch it or don't watch it. It's not supposed to cost you anything. But yeah, speaking about that, not costing anything, anybody that wants me to do a reaction to the music video or audio that's out on YouTube, please leave the link in the description below.
What did you say?
Please leave the link in the comments so I can check it out and react to it. I want to give you guys a platform. This channel is a platform to make a difference in this culture, to put on all the artists that I can. So whoever wants to be put on and wants a reaction out onto their song, please don't even hesitate to put your link into the comments below. But yo, that was definitely a banger for the books. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn those notifications on to keep up for more bangers. That was D-Dog the GOAT. Bruh.
Yo, Six. This you?
As I like today. Shout out D-Dog for motivating me to do this, bro. And also shout out to Isai Mans for daily motivation, bro. Yo, bro. I feel like I'm gonna kill this one. But nah, kom morgen weer. So is 'n killer te minne toe win het. Jy sit ek praat, ja ek is die baas, ja ek mag geraas, ja ek is die kaas, ek is wat ek blaas, ja beter as ek. Daar is die kans soos TKC, laat ek die poppe dan dans, ja enige beat. Murder ek dan, so noem my nou saan, want die is 'n beat. Murder die beat, murder die, ek murder beat. Ja like die swat gewoon ziet, my flow is geturbo charge. Ek like al nou, ek's ice show speed. Flash op 'n trek, ja wie gaan my beat? Ek beat al die beats met die hele 12 beats en ek sit met die bag vol heat. Het jy ooit 'n white gesien wat spit soos die? Dis I like die. Hy skryf op bright ook brie. Hy ken sy story. Hy skryf van jongs af brie. DDOG my homie, Bakwan getuige wie. Want jy die se ry master, evens van skool af brie. But never mind hy's baksteen hard guy. As dit kom by rips is dit altyd defects en storylines. Sy rhymes sit jou sky high op skyline tip. Dis hy wat my strip en aanhou so met swag drip. Hy vat dan evens aan jou kind af. Nou life ek sou gewys het, damn that stuff. Ek's 'n beast wat nou net kom op bevies en ek haal die repetities af. Damn, like Jay did it on it, bro. Hou so aan, cause I was great stuff. Fire, bro. Damn, man.